Yeah, okay. So initially, how to initially make the test plan here. Go to the templates here. This is the template. Just you can either you can go for templates like this by pressing this like small gift box type. Na? Just go to the already these are all recording templates here. So just I will go for a recording template. Create. Just go to create. That's it. No need to do anything. I think earlier I explained everything now how to check these templates, everything. Let me explain you once again. That is taking some time for creating this template. Yeah. Now this is user defined variable. I will explain you what is the user defined variable in the coming classes. And HTTP request default also I will explain you. Cookie manager I will explain you. Now just remove this recording. It is a thread group. One thread group will be for one scenario. I'll explain everything, what is scenario, everything. Just remove this recording controller. Either you can remove by using this scissor, or you can remove by right click on this. Just you can remove. Okay. Now add transition controllers. Just add one transition controller. This transition controller will be URL. This transition controller will be URL. Again, in a similar way, add some more transition controllers. It's better you can add one transition controller and you can copy this transition controller and you can paste as many you need. Just control V, control C, control V. Now here each and every transition controller will act like a one page. For suppose this is the JPEG store. So this is the JPEG store. Okay. So now for suppose this is the URL. This is the URL. Then I will press the enter the store. So then this second transition controller should become enter the store. So don't give any spaces. Just give the underscore like so. Enter the store. So once enter the store is completed, uh, okay, then this page will open. So then this page, in this page, some request will come. Na? Like one for suppose from the developer tool, if you check, some request will come. This all requests will come under the enter the store. Okay. So then I what I will do. This is one scenario. This is one scenario. I'm explaining. Then sign in. So then I can say that this is sign in. This is sign in. So once sign in is completed, then I will go for register now. Okay. So register now. So I can say that this is called a register now. So register now. Then you will fill all the user information here. Then save account. That's it. This is the scenario. Now this is the save account. This is one page. Then log out. So this is the one scenario. This scenario name you can write it in the thread group. You can write register scenario. So register scenario. That's it. Okay. Remaining transition controllers you can remove. So in this way, like whenever any application team or any teams are coming to you and they will say, do the performance testing for my application product. So initially find the scenario. Ask them how many scenarios will be there. Okay, for each and every scenario, one thread group will come here. Okay, then in this scenario, you are having URL, enter the store, sign in, register now, save account, log out. Okay, then Once all the transaction controllers are completed, so once transaction controller is complete, then you can enable this. Just enable this. Then we are having view result. This is view result tree. You can write this view result tree as a recording. So because we are all the recording, we will record the application flow. Na? This application flow request will come here, and then you can save this file either in XML file or you can save it like JTL file. Just I will create one JTL file. I will go to just I will go to this one. Okay. Already, I think earlier I created this. Just what I will do, register. So register.jtl. I will write this register.jtl. Okay. Then I will go for configure and save all the tick marks. Keep all the tick marks here. Okay. Keep all the tick marks. So then this is the recording JTL file. Now in HTTP test script recorder, you can add any port number. You can keep any port number, but that port number should kept in the proxy server. Then in the target controller, I can keep initial URL page. Then do not group samplers. Then I will go for either suffix or prefix. Okay. So these settings are compulsory. So these settings are compulsory. So these settings are compulsory. URL and do not group samplers and suffix. Then I will turn on the proxy. So then I will turn on the proxy. Okay, before turning on the proxy, now let me copy this application URL. Just application URL. So what I will do, just I will copy this URL. Okay. Then I will turn on incognito mode, because in incognito mode, request will very few requests will record, like from the application itself. So no external request will not capture. So then I will go to the proxy settings. Just go to the proxy setting. Just it is taking some time. Okay, now manual proxy. Already I given everything, local host and port number. So here no need to write HTTP. Just you can write local host also, no problem. Just you can mention local host and port number and save this file. Okay. So now the proxy was turned on. You can see maybe my Zoom app is working, but my page will not work here. See, if I will refresh this page, na, if I will refresh this page, see, it is not working. This page is not working. So then the proxy was working properly. So once you make sure the proxy was working properly and there is no internet, okay, then we can go for jmeter. Here, what is happening? Jmeter will act like a middle for the application and for the proxy. Okay, then once I will click start, then the jmeter will record the flow. Okay, by using the proxy server. So then I will start. Okay, this is taking some time. Yeah. See, my certificate was 365 days validity. Okay, but I will explain you how to do this. Okay, in my coming classes. Okay, now I am in URL. No? Just I will copy. I will copy that URL and I will click on this URL. Okay, then I will click on this URL. Just it is whenever it is saying, just go to this advanced one. Okay, sometimes it will give. Okay, now we came for second page. Just go to the jmeter. Now go for enter the store. Okay, now initial enter the store. Then go to the page. Go to that particular page. Then click on enter the store. So initially, and wait for some time until the page should load openly properly. Everything. Okay. So don't be hurry in going for other page. So this page should load properly. Then again I will go for JMeter, and again in the target controller I will go for sign in. Okay, sign in. Then again I will go to the JPEG store. I will press sign in. Okay. Then again I will go for this one. Now I will go for click on register now. Each and every page is acting like one transaction controller. Then I will click on register now. One more page will come. Okay. So one more page will come here. Again I will go to JMeter and I will go for save account. But before save account, I should give all these credentials. Let me give some credential like Suresh. It is taking some time. Okay, Suresh 123. Okay, maybe password you can say that J2E, same password which we are using for everything. J2E. First name I will write Suresh, and last name I will write Jmeter. Then email ID Suresh at the rate of 123 at the rate of gmail.com. Just I'm writing something, maybe. Okay, maybe otherwise you can write Suresh at the rate of gmail.com. Phone number you can give any phone number, random, as it is just only for testing purpose. Now coming for address, you can write something. Okay, some address you can write, and for city you can write like Delhi. Okay, state Delhi. I'm not sure, just I'm writing something. Okay. And country will be like, you can say India. Okay, something I given. Now, once I given all the details, now then we can save this account information. So now one more, I think there is no logout for this. Just account information is the last page. So then we can stop it. See now, there's no logout. You can, okay. See now all the pages got recorded here under the URL. All the requests related to URL page. Then enter the store, sign in. Okay. Now once the recording is completed, initially disable this HTTP test script recorder. Again, go for right click or disable both. You can here see now this recording will contains all the recording JTL file, because in future whenever we should do some correlations, then this JTL file is very very important to us. Okay, so we will compare with this JTL file and we will see how the response is coming while we recorded. Then I will do correlations everything. Okay, so then I will do all the correlations. Okay, now this recording JTL file, but once the script is completed na, just go to that desktop. Okay, copy this. Like I think we have not saved this file. No? We have not saved this file. Just save this file initially. So save test plan as. I think earlier I explained you again. Once again, I explained. Jpetstore. So register dot jmx file. So once again. Okay. So once recording is completed, then you can copy this both one more time. Okay, as a safety purpose, always try to make backup files here. Very, very important. Otherwise, like if you're not doing backup file, if something is corrupted, this sometimes this may got corrupted here. Then again, you should record from the starting page. Okay. Now, once everything is once JTL file is we got JTL file. Once we recorded the application, then go for each and every page and remove all the unnecessary request here because we know the server name is not belongs to my application. Okay, so something like gstatic.com. I'm not sure which application it is, but it's not related to JPEG Store. If it is related to JPEG Store, then the server name will come like this: petstore dot autopet. So server name will come like this: petstore dot auto. Okay. So as this particular request is not belongs to our application, I can remove. Just you can remove this. Either you can remove by using cut option or you can remove from here. Okay. Now coming for enter the store. Yeah, this two belongs to my application only. Then sign in. Yeah, this is also belongs to my application. Then yeah, this is also belongs to my application. Yeah, this is also, I think this is something like related to Microsoft something. It's not related to our application. We can remove this. Okay. Now coming for this, see, these are all details which I given you. See, while recording the application, now I given all these details. My username, I given my password, I given my first name, last name, email ID, phone number, address, everything I given. Same thing will come here. Okay. So in this way, you should check it. URL page, everything. Okay. Now, let me do. Just I will run this application once. But before running application, na, just clear tick mark on the generate parent sample tick mark. Just tick mark on the generate parent sample tick mark. Okay. If you'll make tick mark on the generate parent sample tick mark, na, everything will come like a page wise. For suppose when I will run this application, page wise it will come. See, page wise it will come. For suppose if I will remove this generate parent sample tick mark, if I will remove this generate parent sample tick mark, if I will run here, you can see how it will come. See, it is coming like a request wise, okay, and transaction controller name wise, but page wise it is not coming. So this may be the issue when I want to debug something. I don't know in which page it is this issue is coming. So it may be trouble to me. So it's better you can when debugging the application, it is better to keep the tick mark here. So then it is very easy. I can know in which page the error came. So once I will run this application, now you can see I can see this is URL page, and in this URL page we are sending this request here. This one, yeah, in this URL page too we are sending this request initially, and we got response this much. You can check in HTML view. See, this page is coming. So this page is coming. Now coming for enter the store. Again, if you see the enter the store, this page is coming. They're coming for sign in. See, this is the sign in page. Then register now. Yeah, this is the page. Then save account. Save account will become 500 internet server error. Why? Because again, if I'm using same user ID, username and same password and same details, then 500 error may come here. Why? Because again I cannot do the registration for the same username which I registered earlier. Okay, for suppose if I given, if I will change everywhere. I will write. I will fix it one. Okay, everywhere. Just I'm writing one everywhere. Okay, so just I will write now. See, now I change everywhere. Username, password, everything. I change. Now if I will run this, if I will run this, you can see. See, now it is okay. Now the registration has done. See, now the registration has done. Okay, this is the request which I sent. Okay, so this is the request which I sent here. See, I'm sending. You should check like this. You want to debug where the issue came initially, and you can check everything whether this is the username I'm sending. See, this is the username, and this is the password, and this is the password, and it is the first name, and this is the last name. Everything is this all we are sending as a request. Then response will come. Okay, then response will come here. Okay, here blank will come. If you're having any doubt, okay, whether this is the response for this particular request, then go to jtl file. Then go to jtl file and check 23 request. See, this is the 23 na. Yeah, here also response is not coming, just request is coming. In this way you can compare. This is jtl file, this is recording file. We can compare recording file with the replay file. This is play file. Just we know the jmeter tool or any performance testing tool, they are like record and playback. So I want to record and I want to replay the same script for multiple users. Okay, so uh, this recording JTL file will help us to compare. For suppose I got some doubt whether this is the page for this. Then what I will do, this 21st na, I will go to 21st and I will check the response of the 21st. Okay, I will check. Then I will compare. Yeah, both are same. So for comparison purpose only, the recording JTL file will help us. Okay, now coming for correlations. Can I go for correlation or anything? Still anything wants to know? Anything like now everyone understood what how to record this scenario?
Yes,
Okay. So now I will.
you
Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. Now let me explain you the correlation. Maybe this script is working fine as it is a demo application, but in real time, see this is keep on changing here. If you, I want to show you this how it is going on. Uh, Initial go to the developer tool. For suppose if no one is saying from the team when you are up when you are doing the testing, now if no one will say what is the dynamic value, then you can check from the developer tool. No need to okay, just go to the network tab. And before this, I think it's looking something difficult, na? See, you can press this three dots here, and you can press this option here. Then it will come below. Just it will this side, whatever way be, you can change it anywhere. Okay, anything. So the developer tool will come like this. Sometimes it is coming like this also. Okay, whenever you're recording, na, everything, all recording actions will come here. See, now always like in the developer tool, press the disable cache, because if you'll keep disable cache tick mark, if you remove na, like every time some cache will come. Some cache means here what is happening na, whenever we are opening one file, some image files, some static files, everything they will keep in our they will keep in our Chrome only. So when you are running again, this all files will come from the laptop instead of from the server. Okay. So then that's the reason always try to keep disable cache. I will explain you much more on this in the coming class. Then disable catch. Then just click on this sign in. Just click on this sign in. See, whatever we are doing now, all the request will come here. All the request will come here. Okay, sorry, actually proxy was turned off. Na? Let me check proxy. Once recording is completed, you can turn off the proxy. Only while recording only proxy should be turned off. Yeah, just turn off the proxy. That's it. So the proxy was turned off. Now you can check. Still, its internet is not coming. Yeah, now it is coming. Yeah. Just I will go to sign in page. Hmm, just one second. In which page it is coming? Sign in page only. Na? Okay, in sign in page only it is coming. Just I will press sign in. Then I will check that particular request where it is coming. Mm, yeah, see, this is what I want to show you. Uh, check this one. J section ID. Let me copy this, and you can write some notepad. Always try to do like this. Okay, whenever dynamic values will come, try to compare from the developer tool. Developer tool will help you. Always it will help you. Now go to this Jpetstore. Let me copy this. If it is same, okay, no issue will come. I think both are same only. Na? I think it is static. Okay, earlier it is dynamic, but now I think they made it static here. See, both are same, na? Both are same. No difference. Okay, so both are same, no difference here. Okay, as it is same, no need to do correlations, but if it is different, then only we should do correlations. Okay, this script I will explain you parameterization and maybe in one more, so tomorrow I will explain you the correlations in the login scenario. But this script I will explain you how to do parameterization. See now, if I will run the same script, if I will run the same script, uh, it may not pass here because already we give a already these register users we have done the registration process. Okay, so again we cannot do the registration once again. Okay, that is the reason this will fail. So this will fail because again some internal server error that will okay if you are giving the same user ID. Okay, now let me explain you the what is the parameterization. So what I will do, just I will open one Excel. Just I will open one Excel. Parameterization means like user and whenever you so for suppose what is the parameterization means whenever user enters anything from the keyboard. For suppose in this particular case, just one second, it is not opening. See, for suppose it is enter the store. Let me check once again JSection ID. Just I'm checking whether once again. Yeah, I think it's changing. See, now you can see anyone. It is changing, na? See, JSection ID. Earlier it is different. Earlier it is different. Now it is different. So they're having see the J section ID is getting different values, na? Is it right? See, while we yeah. So tell me. See, while we recorded, this value came, but when I'm checking from developer two, okay, earlier same value came because of the cookie and cache manager. Something maybe I opened the same page, but now you can see the different values are coming. So we should do the correlation. We should do the correlation whenever the server is giving you different values here. Then we should do correlation. Okay, let me before doing correlation, let me explain you the parameterization. Now, what is a parameterization? You can see this all everything we given from the keyboard. If you see the again go to sign in page and again go to register page everything here any field is coming from the backend or any field is coming from server. So we know everything. See, we know everything. We are giving something from the keyboard. Okay, as we are giving something from the keyboard, so whenever we are giving from the keyboard, that can be do parameterization. Okay, means different users will give different information. So that information we can use parameterization. For this purpose, you can use one Excel. You can create one Excel. You can write what are the parameters you want to do parameterization. So for suppose username, initially I will write username, then password. So then password. Then what are the parameters will come? Password came first name, then last name. Okay. So then any other field, email ID, phone numbers, address. Okay. So email ID. Okay, as of now, this is enough. So as of now, this is enough here, user and password. Now you can give something. It's a registration case and it's a demo application. You can give anything. You can give Suresh 123. You can give same password for everyone. You can give same password, no issue. Okay, first name, uh, last name, email ID, something. Yeah, just I'm not caring about whether my okay whether I given Gmail or something, Yahoo mail or something. Just I given something. Now this should come. It should not come. Just remove the hyperlink. Just remove the hyperlink. So how to remove the hyperlink? Just go to this, press and hyperlink. Now I will give one more. Now I will give one more. Suresh 1234. So two users. One user will be registered by. So one user will be registered with the name of Suresh 123, and one user will be registered by with the name of Suresh 12344. Okay. Then password. Password you can make it same, no problem. Okay. And first name I'm not sure. You can give same name. Last name also. So then this is given by the gmail.com. Okay, something. I given these parameters. Okay. Now this is the Excel file I created for two users. Actually, we recorded the script with one user. Okay, anything? Just once. Okay. I think in the coming class, I will explain you how to do the recording, how to do this.